Hello, my little artist friends. Today we're going to draw something super fun, a colorful light. First, take your pencil and gently draw 4 straight lines like this. Great job. Now at the top, let's add this cute little shape. It looks a bit like a tiny dome, doesn't it? Awesome. Next, we'll draw a circle. Make it nice and round. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It's all about having fun. Now, it's time to make our drawing come alive with colors. Let's start with red. Grab your red crayon and carefully color in. How about some blue next? Wow, it's already starting to look so vibrant. Let's add a splash of purple. Doesn't it make the picture even more magical? Now, how about a yellow? Yellow is such a happy color, isn't it? Our light is starting to glow.
Pink.
Let's brighten it up with orange. Ooh, so warm and sunny. And here comes green. Wow, look at how beautifully it blends with the other colors. Finally, let's finish with navy blue. Doesn't it make everything look extra special? Look at that, my little artists. Doesn't our colorful light look amazing? You've done such a fantastic job. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Happy drawing.